Give me 10 minutes and I'll delete your fear of YouTube. So let's cut the crap. If you're scared to start YouTube, it's not YouTube's fault. It's you. You're not lazy. You're not too old. You're not too busy. You're just scared. And that's fear. And it's not only fear, it's rooted in your low self-esteem. But in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to expose that fear and replace it with 4 hard truths. 4 that are deleted for good. If you're ready to stop lying to yourself. So let's get into it. Let's start with the foundation. Because if you don't get this, nothing else will matter. You are valuable. Because the real reason you're afraid is because deep down inside, you think you're not worth listening to. I understand. I can feel you. Because there was a time in my life when I started my first YouTube channel in 2012, I didn't think nobody wanted to watch my channel, and it came true. I didn't think people really wanted to hear what I had to say. But when you undervalue your life, you undervalue the journey of your life. Everything that you have overcome, you undervaluing it. Why? Because you think you're not worth listening to. But there's a hidden truth that you don't realize. Everything that you went through is your resume. And everything you went through is that resume to give you credibility. That's why you are valuable. Everything you went through, the challenges, the ups and downs, all those things that you say, I don't think nobody want to hear what I got to say. I don't even want to go on YouTube because I don't have nothing to say. Yes, you got something to say. You survive what other people are drowning in. That makes you valuable, whether you believe it or not. Now, once you accept that you are valuable, you need to believe this next part. Your voice actually matters. That's right. Your voice actually matters because you think you have nothing to say. That's fear talking. And fear's been lying to you for years. Fear's been telling you, you don't got nothing to say. Fear's been telling you, oh, what you went through, that ain't nothing. Everybody go through the same thing. Everybody don't go through the same thing. Everybody don't go through the same thing you went through. People didn't go through bankruptcy like you went through bankruptcy. Nobody went through foreclosure like you went through foreclosure. Nobody went through homelessness like you went through homelessness. Your voice matters. And that's why fear been lying to you all these years, telling you you don't matter. Be quiet. And you up there listening. Yeah, I'm going to be quiet. I ain't going to say nothing. Because why would people want to listen to me on YouTube? Why people want to listen to me? Because your voice matters. And you thinking, oh, the algorithm ain't showing my videos because it don't like me. The algorithm loves you if you speak its language. If you speak the algorithm language, algorithm will push you out to those people that's waiting to hear you speak. They waiting to hear your voice. They searching for you because you sitting back thinking, oh, nobody want to hear what I got to say. And then you get on top of that. Well, if I do say something, I got to be perfect. You don't have to be perfect. Perfection isn't what moves people. Authenticity is what moves people. We want to see your authentic self. We want to see you as you really are. The powerful person that has that message in that voice. Because speak from your scars, not from your ego. Because somebody's waiting to hear what only you can say. But they can't if you keep your mouth shut. So open up your mouth. Speak that power voice that you have inside of you. Knowing that your voice matters is powerful. But it gets deeper than that. You just don't have a voice. You have a story. And not only a story, you have a gift. You got a gift. Somebody needs to hear your gift. You might say, what's my gift? I don't know. I've been through a lot. That's your gift. Your gift is your perception of what you went through and how you overcame that thing you went through. You was in it and you came out. You might have came out with scars, but you came out speaking to those people who have the same scars. They'll resonate with you because they realize that you have the same scars that they have. I can't talk about being on drugs because I was never on drugs. I can't talk about all these other things that's on YouTube if I never experienced it, but you experienced it. And since you experienced it, that's your voice, that's your gift to the people that's waiting to hear what you have to say. Because you're playing it small. You're talking about this, not that. YouTube ain't for me because I'm too old. YouTube ain't for me because I don't have a voice. YouTube ain't for me because I'm scared. What you scared of? Stop being scared. Put on your big boy pants. Do what you gotta do. I'm knocking that fear out of your vocabulary and out of your mind because you've been scared for too long. I've been scared Since 2012, nobody watched my videos. Nobody would click on those thumbnails. And I gave up. I said my voice didn't matter. But I got my voice back in 2024. I relaunched this channel that you're watching me on right now. And I said, I'm going to get my message out. I'm going to get the gift out to those people that's assigned to me, because I know there's people out there that want to hear what I have to say. That's my gift to them, because I'm going to stop holding back. If you're hoarding that gift, you're hoarding it. It's a burden. You know you got that thing burning on the inside saying, I got to speak this out. I got to give this message out. I know I can help somebody. But fear goes in your ear telling you, you don't got nothing to say. And you agreeing with it. You're not doing anybody a favor by hiding. Come out of hiding, because you don't need more prep. You just need more action. And here's where it gets uncomfortable. Your gift ain't even about you. It's about the people that's assigned to you. That's a hard truth that you got to accept. Your gift is not about you. It's about the people that's assigned to you. Because right now, believe it or not, right now, somebody is on YouTube searching for you. They're searching for the gift that you have inside of you that you're hiding, saying, I'm not worthy to share my message. I don't know that people will watch my video. They're searching for you. They're up there in the YouTube scrolling, looking for you, and you up there hiding, talking about you don't got nothing to say. Yeah, you got something to say. I'm giving you the truth. If you can't handle the truth, get off this channel. You can't handle the truth? Go to another video, but I'm going to give you the straight up truth. You have a message in that gift, in that message. People are waiting to hear you speak. People are waiting to hear that message because you have what it takes to share it. I'm going to knock that fear out of your heart if you like it or not. Keep on listening. I dare you. Keep on listening to the end of this video. When you stay silent, they stay stuck, waiting and hoping somebody's going to say what they need to hear. And you up there talking about, I don't know if anybody want to hear what I got to say. Shame on you. You're afraid to be seen. Shame on you. Because what if, let's think about this. What if the very person you was assigned to share that message never hears the message and they perish? You won't know it, but there's people waiting to hear your message. It's a dangerous thing to hide your gift from those people that's assigned to you. I don't want you to be in danger all your life. I want you to share that gift that's inside of your heart, because you got a gift inside your heart that you present to those people that's assigned to you. You're going to feel so much better, because I know it's burning inside of you, because it burned inside of me for a long time. From 2012 to 2016, I gave up. 2016 to 2022, I gave up again. 2024, I relaunched this channel and shared my gift, and look at the channel now. I'm not saying that to impress you, but I'm saying to impress upon you. You have people assigned to you. Share that gift, because this is not about becoming famous. This is about becoming faithful to those people you need to show up for. You've been hiding because you thought fear was protecting you, but in actuality, it was robbing you of the joy of sharing your gift to those people that's assigned to you. Sharing your gift as a gift, because you know they've been searching for you. It's been robbing you. Stop that robber in his tracks, because you're valuable. Your voice matters. Your gift even matters more. And the people are counting on you. Why? Because this is your moment. This is your moment. I want you to record a video. You don't have to have a niche. Record that video. You don't even have to have a topic. Record a video. Just talk about your life and people will come. Post the content. People will come. Don't worry about if nobody show up. People are watching you to see if you're going to show up. So I want you to post some type of content. Post a 5-minute video, 3-minute video, or 20-minute video. Keep on rambling on and talk about your life. Don't worry about it has to be perfect. Nothing has to be perfect. You just have to get started, because when you stop overthinking, that's when you're going to start moving. You don't need permission. But if you do need permission and you stuck on it, I need somebody permission to tell me I can do it. You can do this. I give you the permission to go on YouTube and create a video. I give you permission to share your voice. I give you the permission to give the gift out to those people that's assigned to you. I'm giving you permission. What excuse you got now? You need to have obedience to the calling that's on your life. The fear ends now, but only if you start recording and share your gift. If you need any more help, I'm here to help you. Somewhere up here is going to be some more videos that's going to help you delete the fear of YouTube out of your life.